What's up guys, Express here, and I'm back with another dual header design. This time my dual partner is Remarks. He's a great designer, he's been in top 5 designs before. The theme that we have on this header is reincarnated as a slime, and of course we'll do this in Photoshop. On the header size 3000 and 1000 for Twitter. He started the design and then I was the middleman, and then he finished the design. So he did the color correction and camera raw filter and all. This is just the process of us designing. He also recorded, of course, his perspective of the design as well. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy another dual header design. If you guys want more videos like this or want to participate in this collab, let me know on Discord. And of course, hope you enjoy the speed art. So let's show you what he did. So now that we've seen what he's made, now it's my turn to design something on top of it. So I'll just show you also the progress of me. I'll just speed it up as well. I'll probably do the text. I'll put remarks in it. I have no idea how I will do it yet, but I'll see you guys on the other side. So yeah, I put his name on it. I used Blender, but on the end I thought that was not really necessary for the thing I was going for. But anyways, I think it came out pretty nice. I wanted to go with the same logo type that Reincarnated as a Slime has. I thought it came out pretty nice. I'm not so big a fan of the express text on the bottom, but you know, it's fine. So I'll send it over back to him, and then he'll do the rest of the header. So I hope you enjoy his designing at the end. So this is the end result. I think it came out pretty nice. I think he really did a nice job with the color correction and putting some more renders, and like the little black effect behind the text really pops out. I really like it, and I think his touches to it, like the Japanese text to it, is really nice. I think this is an overall nice looking header. I think he did a really nice job. You can really see what I've done with it and what he's done with it, his own spin, you know. I love the sidebars on the top left and the top and the bottom right, of course. I think I love doing this. I love collabing with other designers. Let me know what you guys think of this header as well, and if you also want to participate in this, let me know. Of course, you have to have great designs, so you have to send me your portfolio. If you like these videos, let me know. If you want me to maybe change up the editing style, let me know. If you wanted to see how I really design it and not just speed art, let me know. I'm still figuring out how I should do this video series, but I really enjoy making this. So yeah, I'll just show you the first one, the second one, and the third one. I think I'll just put them side by side, and you showed that there's the process of the design that came together. These duels videos I think is really nice, and it was a really pleasure to work with Remarks, and of course I want to do the same in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, do more if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.